Welcome back. Over the last few modules, you've learned how to train your entire body. But here's something very important. Training is only half of the process. Your body doesn't become stronger while you're lifting weights. It becomes stronger after your workout, while it's recovering. In this module, we'll learn how sleep, nutrition, hydration, and rest help your body repair itself and prepare for the next workout. Let's begin. Recovery depends on 4 important pillars. The first is sleep. Sleep is when your body performs much of its repair work. The second pillar is nutrition. Food provides your body with the energy and building blocks it needs to recover. The third pillar is hydration. Water supports many important functions in your body and replaces the fluids you lose through sweat. Finally, we have rest. Your muscles need time between workouts to recover and adapt. Think of these 4 pillars as a team. If one pillar is missing, your recovery won't be as effective. If I had to choose one recovery tool, it would probably be sleep. Most adults should aim for about 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Good sleep isn't only about the number of hours. A regular sleep schedule and good sleep quality are also important. During sleep, your body repairs muscle tissue. It supports recovery, and it prepares you for your next workout. Think of sleep as your body's natural recovery program. The better you sleep, the better your body can adapt to training. Let's talk about nutrition. Many beginners look for the perfect diet, but the truth is much simpler. Focus on eating a balanced diet. Include protein, carbohydrates, healthy fats, fruits, and vegetables. Every one of these nutrients has an important role. There are no magic foods. No single meal will make you stronger overnight. Instead, good nutrition is about consistency. Healthy eating habits over weeks and months produce the best results. You also learned a new scientific word, macronutrients, and these are the nutrients your body needs in the largest amounts: protein, carbohydrates, and fats. A balanced diet that includes adequate protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats supports training performance and recovery. Let's take a closer look at protein. Protein is especially important after strength training. It provides the amino acids your body needs to repair muscle tissue. That's why protein supports recovery and helps your muscles adapt to training. Fortunately, there are many good protein sources. Greek yogurt, eggs, fish, chicken, tofu, beans, and lentils are all excellent choices. You don't need expensive supplements to get enough protein. For most beginners, a balanced diet is a great place to start. Water is another important part of recovery. During exercise, your body loses water through sweat. That's completely normal. After your workout, it's important to replace those fluids. Water helps regulate your body temperature. It supports normal muscle function, and it helps transport nutrients throughout your body. One simple habit is to carry a reusable water bottle with you during the day. Small habits like this make it much easier to stay hydrated. After a new workout, many beginners experience muscle soreness. This is called delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS. Unlike an injury, DOMS doesn't usually begin immediately. It often starts about 12 to 24 hours after exercise. The soreness usually reaches its highest point after 24 to 72 hours. Then it gradually disappears over the next few days. DOMS often happens when you try a new exercise, train harder than usual, or increase your weight or repetitions. This is completely normal. It means your muscles are adapting to a new challenge. However, remember the difference between soreness and pain. The mild muscle soreness is normal. Sharp pain is not. If you feel sharp pain during or after exercise, stop and check your technique. And one final myth to remember: you don't have to feel sore after every workout to make progress. Let's finish with a simple recovery plan for this week. Try to sleep between 7 and 9 hours every night. Drink water regularly throughout the day. Include protein in your meals. Continue training consistently. And most importantly, enjoy your progress. You don't need to be perfect. Small healthy habits repeated every week will help you recover better and become stronger over time. Always remember this sentence. Recovery is part of training.